Hello. How's everyone going? Welcome to my channel, and on this video I'll be sharing with you the exact strategy and what are the styles of channel that I'm using to build a business on the side using YouTube automation system, right? So there's many programs out there promising you all these big results, right? And once you get in the program, pretty much you're going to get no support whatsoever, right? So you might be in the same situation. Even though you might be doing YouTube automation, you maybe have had a lot of programs, a lot of courses you might have bought, but still you might not be able to see that success, right? So in this video I wanted to break everything down so you can see my exact process that I actually go through, and I'm building this another income stream on the side using this style of channel. So as you can see on this particular screen, you can see this is a channel that literally actually didn't start that long ago, but this particular channel, if you go to TikTok, it's like literally blowing up, right? So that's the reason this channel is not uploading that much. But you see, they are literally just doing short form videos, right? All of their videos is less than 1 minute, and the reason they're actually doing that is they uploading these videos on all platforms, right? So they're pretty much doing one video and they're uploading on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, right? All these 4 or 5 platforms they're uploading, and that's how they're actually getting viral on these platforms, right? And but the method that I'll be sharing with you, which I am using to actually build another system that I'm going to be showing you very soon, right? So you see, this is a channel that's they're using Midjourney to pretty much create the characters
six important guidelines in life.
Right?
Number one.
So this style of video is like really catchy because there's a lot of people who actually watch motivational style of videos. You might be one of them, right? And I personally like to watch motivational style of video, and these characters actually they actually design in a way that can grab your attention, and you actually going to be finishing the whole video, right? Because it's only less than 1 minute. And so they're covering like some of the tips they're giving, how to become more productive and things like that, right? So but one thing they're actually not doing is they're not putting links to their offer, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about a link that you're going to be promoting for your other business model, right? The one I'm doing literally is getting me recurring income month after month, and that's the model I'm actually promoting, right? And the way I normally do things is I create a channel same as this, right? I've got other channels, I've got few channels going like this. It's YouTube automation, and that's how I'm pushing getting all this free traffic coming into my funnel, and that's how I'm generating all this revenue, right? So you can see the one thing they're not actually doing is, like I covered, they're not putting the links on here, right? So if you don't know what link to get, that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So the actual system that I actually promote is this one, all-in-one, because the system is so advanced, and also the great thing is you start to get recurring commission month after month without doing much of the work, right? So you just set this up once, and it's pretty much runs on autopilot. So once someone comes in your funnel, and you also set up the autoresponder at the back end, right? Which I normally set up for my my people, right? And pretty much the email starts getting sent to them automatically once they come into your funnel, right? So, and how you're going to get access to this is if you're watching one of the video, right? You might be watching this video. So click, go down at the description. You're going to be clicking this link, right? And it will actually take you to the funnel, right? And literally what you're going to do is enter your email address, because I want you to just see, review everything so you can see what the actual system I'm talking about, right? So once you click that, make sure you give your best email details, because I'll be sending you a free gift inside your email, so you can actually receive that. If you give a wrong email, I won't be able to reach you, and you won't be able to get that free gift, right? So what you need to do after that is go down here and you see here special offer, get an already profitable $1.6 million business for just $25, guys. People spend a lot of money on just coffee every single week, right? So you're just getting this all-in-one business model for only given to you for only $25, right?
Also getting the
And,
Funnel Builders Academy.
So you're going to be watching this video here, right here. But what you need to do is go down right at the bottom, right at the bottom, and I'm just sharing with you what are the things you need to do to actually get your link to be able to promote inside your channel that we're actually setting up, right? So what you need to do is click here, and literally you can just get started with this amazing system for just $25, guys. Let me say that again, just for $25. You might have spent a lot of money on course. I know there's courses being sold for like $7,000, $8,000, $10,000, right? But with this, you're only paying like $25, right? So what you need to do is very quickly enter your details here. You're going to put in your billing details and your detail, right? Card detail, but wait. The company also gives you a 100% free bonus, right? Just to test drive, just to see if you like the product, right? It's totally your choice, but I highly recommend you to get it so you can just test drive for 14 days. This is actually the same system that I'm using, right? You need to click this box and go and pretty much do the checkout for just $25, right? So once you go through the process of doing the checkout, once you click this button, you're going to go down, and what you're going to do is you're going to get an email for you to set up all your details so you can get access to the backend and where you will actually get the link for your affiliate, right? So you won't be able to do any of this if you haven't gotten your links to be to promote your affiliate, right? So once you have got the email, once you set everything up, you're going to go to the back end, and this is where you're going to get the affiliate link from, right? So you can see here the affiliate link that we want to promote is this one here, right? You can see all in one $25 business sales letter. So once I open this one, it will actually go to this page. So you're going to be grabbing that email, right? Once you grab that email, and then you're going to go there in here. Let me find the channel. So you're going to go here and then paste that link here, right? So you're going to paste that link and just say, if you want to start any recurring commission and get paid month after month, this is the one business that model that you want to be promoting, right? So this is really, really awesome how everything is set up here. And you're going to be building this channel, and not just building one channel. You're going to be building this sniper channel, what I called. It's like awesome channel that you can start, and literally you can get these characters built for these videos built for very, very cheap. So that way, once you have this, you can just put in here, make money online, right? Make money online. Say if you want to make money online and start to get recurring commission, click this link and see all the details here, right? So you're going to be doing that in all your videos. And also once you go inside your backend, like your analytics, that's where you're going to be putting your details, the affiliate link inside your description in all the videos, right? And once you get the video created, that's when you're going to be posting in all social media platforms. That's how you're going to get tons and tons of free leads coming inside your funnel. And once someone comes in your funnel, then the autoresponder will start sending them email, sending them back to the sales page that I shared with you, right? $25 sales page, right? So that's the actual method that I'm using and utilizing to make me substantial amount of money, right? This program, you can see I started, this is all recurring commission, like month after month, right? And you can see it's daily sales coming in, right? Some days are quiet, right? Because I'm not uploading every day, right? At the moment, I'm not uploading every day. But once I start uploading in all my channels, in all the platforms, I'll be getting tons and tons of leads. and be able to make tons and tons of money, right? So you can see just using this free method, this is how much I made, but this numbers is always getting bigger, right? So again, I'll leave all the links in the description, so go and check it out. And also you can go and follow me on Facebook. I'll also leave a link in the description, so you can go check it out. And until next time, I'll talk to you very, very soon. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.